What is today's lesson? Today's lesson is minus 2 is equal to minus 5 plus 3. This is our today's lesson. And today we will learn how to do minus 2 and minus 2 is equal to minus 5 plus 3, because when we do 2 plus 3 we get 5. So to get minus 2 we will do minus 5 plus 3. You have to remember this. To do minus 2 we will do minus 5 plus 3. Pradesh, what is the first question?
5 minus 2, 1.
1, yes. So minus 2 is equal to minus 5 plus 3. Now you can see
Yes.
in the corner. Okay. So today we will do this. Okay. The
Up.
first question is 5
5 minus 2,
1. So how to represent 5? You already know, it's very easy. 5, then minus 2. So to do minus 2, look at the screen. To do minus 2, we will do minus 5 and
minus
plus
5
3.
plus 3.
Yes, now
Simple.
plus 1.
Simple.
Yes, right, plus 1. The answer is
4.